Hello everybody, Lung-Nien, Vice President, FIA for the Asia Pacific. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and esteemed members of the Nepal Automobile Association. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you have gathered here today for this significant event in the history of the association, the 9th General Election. It is with great pleasure and honor that we have gathered together today to exercise our democratic right and to shape the future of NASA. On the 29th of July today, in the vibrant city of Lalitpur, Nepal, we will embark on a journey in electing the committee that will lead us for the next 4 years. This election holds immense importance as it will determine the course of action of the association and its members, ensuring the continued growth and prosperity of the association and industry in Nepal. I'm pleased to announce that the Nepal Association, the Nepal Automobile Association, has been granted a special sports status recognized by the Sports Council of Nepal. This remarkable achievement reflects the commitment to excellence and tireless dedication for its members. As we look ahead, it is crucial to acknowledge the challenges and opportunities that is before us. The association plays a pivotal role in inspiring the next generation, shaping policies, governance, setting industry standards, and advocating for the interests of automobile enthusiasts and professionals across Nepal. Through collaboration, innovation, and collective action, we can further enhance the automobile sector, ensuring sustainable growth and economic progress. Today, we stand at a crossroads, ready to choose the leaders that will guide us through to the next 4 years. It is the responsibility that we must undertake with wisdom, foresight, and commitment to the highest standards of integrity. I encourage each and every one of you to exercise your voting rights and make an informed decision that aligns with the vision and values of the Nepal Automobile Association. In conclusion, let us remember that NASA is more than just an organization. It is a community. It is a partner of the FIA. It is enthusiasts coming together for the pursuit of excellence. Together, we have the power to drive positive change, inspire innovation, and build a brighter future for the industry. Thank you all for being here today. Let us embrace this democratic process with enthusiasm and optimism. Best of luck, everybody.